Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we're going to know the color's name. Pink color, chocolate color, light green color, purple color, orange color, blue color and black color. Now let's learn the 2D shapes: circle, triangle, pentagon, star, square and semicircle. Now we're going to draw the shapes. Circle, triangle, pentagon, star, square, semicircle. Now we're going to put the color. Green color, circle, blue color, triangle, chocolate color, pentagon, orange color, star, purple color, square, next pink color, semicircle, what we learn green color, circle, blue color, triangle, chocolate color, pentagon, orange color, star, purple color, square, pink color, semicircle. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.